Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. I'm going to show you how to create something similar to this in almost any shape. I just happen to pick a guitar. So we've got a guitar here, an outline of a guitar. First thing we need to do is take a 3-point line and we need to close this up. I'm going to give it just a slight curve. Now I'm going to grab the 2-point line and go from there to there. And I'm going to select both those nodes and then right click and turn them into a curve. And then when I do that, I've got handles and I can give it a little bit of a curve there. Let's move our text out of the way and let's take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in and move it over. Fill that in and move it over. And just remember to nudge and don't move. Don't ever move it. Now we're going to open up Effects and Contour. We're going to contour to the inside 0.03, same on both. And then normally you have to break the contour bar apart, but we're just going to fill in the smaller contour. Now we're going to take this and we're going to left click, right click, and we're going to take our wordage and we're going to select CorelDraw and we're going to put it in that shape. So we're going to close that docker and open up Envelope tool. We've got it selected, so grab your Create Envelope form. Do the same thing for this one. Now we got our two graphics. Now select your text, shift select your shape and hit EC. So select your text, select your shape, CE. It doesn't matter what order you go in. Now, we can eliminate these lines we drew, grabbing our text, and remember I didn't move it, I nudged it. And look at that, that easy. You've got if you were doing a guitar shop advertisement, it's not perfect. Another text might work better and you can kind of play around with that. The bottom looks good, the top, just right in here where it's got a pretty good slope, the envelope tool kind of messes it up. And then as you can always select both your text and make it yellow and then make your object black, and it really makes it stand out. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.